Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time seeing this project, this is the Lashib project, which is a 5 bedroom house that we are doing the plastering, right? For this particular project, this is the episode 5, right? So, I mean, if you like what you see and you want to see how we managed to get to this far, and I mean some of the lessons that you can learn from this project. If you go to my playlist, you'll find all the details over there.
So we are back at Lashib project once again. Now the inside is completely done. Then we've started with the outside. So this is the front. As you can see, the workers are there. This is the front view, and the guys are there busily. It's not easy. It's not easy. The levels on the building are very bad, but all the same, we've managed to correct all the mistakes on it. You see, let's enter inside and let me show you something. This is the whole side of it. And this, if you see us doing the chiseling, this is where the chiseling took place. You see, roughly, looking at this space, if it were not to be the correction we did here, roughly like this area, should take 5 to 6 bags. But we use 8.5 bags. Use upon all what we did here, chiseling and whatever what we did here. Still, like this space, for instance, should take 6 bags of cement, but we end up using 8 bags. So it goes against us. The same thing happens here, this side, to the same thing. You see, and outside is even worse. Mostly the thickness should be around 20 mm, but you look at it, look at the thickness here, because you want to get it straight. Look at the fresh joint here, look at here, and the thickness here. You see, it's over 1 inch. But if you don't do it that way too, you will not get what you want. You see, so these are the things, but all the same we are on it. So if you see it looking nice like this, we didn't get it easy. A lot has gone inside. A lot of work has gone inside for us to get all this wall straight.
So that was Pele for you with the updates. Pele is our supervisor here at Gigo Production Group. He is also in charge of all the quantity surveying. So if you want to put up something, if you have a structure, your architectural drawing, and then you want a cost estimate, Pele is the one in charge. I mean, his estimate is top notch, right? So if you want to know how much your house will cost you, or maybe you want a fence wall estimate, Pele will get it done for you, right? So please, if you need his service, let me know. That is my number on the screen. You can get in touch with me, and then I will forward you to him so that you deal with him directly. And please note, it will be advisable that I mean, if it is a structure, we need to kind of get the nature of the land, especially when it comes to fence wall and also foundation work. I mean, that plays a major role in the cost estimate. All cost estimate is based on a flat land, but trust me, these days all the lands are not flat. So it will be advisable if we can get the nature of your ground. That will help us to get an accurate cost estimate for you, right? So that is just, by the way, that is Pele for you. So in our previous episode, we started with the outside plastering, right? I mean, which is what you're seeing here on your screen. The same challenges that we face during the inside plastering, the interior plastering, we are facing that same problem here, that same situation, which is the overflow of the concrete casting, which we have, some of the pillars, have a lot of concrete right around it. So then we have to kind of chisel first, drill, before we can go ahead to do the plastering, so that we don't spend so much on the cement that is needed to get a plastering done, right? So in today's episode, I'm going to skip most of the drilling work because we've seen how it looked, right? When it overflowed, we saw how most of it look. So I will be skipping the drilling parts. If you want to see, how it was, you could even see the iron rods, right? So that means that both the concrete casting, the carpentry work, and also the steel works, everything was wrong, right? So if you want to see that video and the tips, ideas we shared, I think that will be the episode 3 and 4, right? So if you go to my playlist called the Lashib project, you will see the nature of, the issue and how we are going about it. Everything can be solved. It's just that you might not get the 3D design, the design that you are looking for, or it may cost you more money, which is buying more cement. And it goes into the labor with the drilling and everything. I shared this in my previous episode, so you can go there and you get more details of this particular project. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for any latest updates.
The way the road not here, and yeah, is a better manage the best meet the a better to meet what I'm better. Oh, better than you. What I'm better.
So that was our chief mason giving an update to Brother Sammy, who is the engineer. So like you all know here, it is a production group where we communicate, give updates, on what is happening. So he was just giving an update. They are moving to the next phase, which is the side of the building. So they have to give an update what is happening and any challenges they are facing. They need advice. Brother Sammy is there to direct and coach them on how to go about it. So that was the update he is, giving to Brother Sammy. So, you all know the drill here, right? So it's all about chiseling, trying to get things level a bit. Then we go with the plastering. Like I said, if you want to see the nature of, the concrete we are chiseling and stuff, if you go to my previous episode, you will see how it actually looked, right? So it is a gradual process. It's a little bit taking time, slow, but the most important thing is to do the right thing and get things done, right? So fast forward, you can see the house is already, the beauty of the house is coming up. This house is actually a beautiful house. Trust me, it is a 5-bedroom house. You have 3 bedrooms at the top. You have 1 bedroom, which is a master bedroom, which takes like a whole wing, right? So, the bathroom, I think we did a tour. So that will be in the episode 2 and 3. You can see the sizes of the bedrooms. It is a beautiful house. It's just how, they went around it, right? It was supposed to be a floating house, right? In front, there's no pillar, but instead of, introducing the beams so that it will hold the suspension, they were not able to get it done. That's caused all these issues, and we have to come in to correct some of these things. But plastering is looking beautiful here. So let's see, in our next episode, how far we will go and where we will get with the plastering, right? So if you want to see the final looks of it, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.